This video explains you how to calculate the unsystematic risk of a stock. Unsystematic risk is measured in terms of a standard deviation and calculated using an equation square root of summation of x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. This is the formula we use, and in Excel we have a built-in function that is STDEV. So we'll see how to calculate a unsystematic risk using these two methods. So for our example, I have taken a closing price of a stock for 9 days. So first we calculate using a formula. So in the formula what it says is summation of x minus x bar whole square. So first we need to calculate the x bar, that is a mean value of our observations. So mean value is calculated in Excel using Excel built-in function average. So equal to average select the bracket, select the data, then close. So we have an average price that is 1652. Next step is we need to calculate x minus x bar, that is a x minus mean value. So equals to, here is our x and minus average or the mean value here. To make the mean value constant, click function key F4. So once you click at F4, you will find two dollar symbols here, which mean your mean is made constant, because for every observation, for second observation, third observation, fourth, the mean remains same. So click enter and you calculated x minus x bar, and next is x minus x bar whole square. So for this we use Excel function power. So equal to power, select your x minus x bar value and put comma and put to raise to the power of 2 and click enter. Select these two, wait for a plus icon here, double click and autofill. And the third step, we need to calculate x minus x bar whole square, summation of x minus x bar whole square. This we use Excel function sum, equal to sum, and select the values, close the bracket, enter. So your summation of x minus x bar values are 3247. So we calculated a numerator. Next is in denominator, we need to calculate. Denominator n is number of observations. So in our case, number of observations here are 9, but we use Excel function to calculate. So equal to count, select your observations. So we have a number of observations is 9. Now we substitute these values in our equation. This equals to, and it is in a square root. So we use Excel function square root, equal to sqrt is Excel function for square root, and numerator values are summation of x minus x bar whole square. So here are our x minus x bar whole square values. Select this, divided by, open a bracket, n is number of observations, minus 1. So here we got 20.147 is the standard deviation or unsystematic risk of the observations. And more easiest way to calculate systematic risk, so the unsystematic risk using Excel, is by using Excel built-in function STDEV. So here we use equal to STDEV, then select your data range, so you got the same answer. So it is suggested to use STD function rather than using calculating the risk using formula, so that in a shorter time you can run risk calculations for large number of data points.